Observers from the sidelines know more. This year, the country's airmen get a shot in practicing aerial maneuvers along with counterparts from allied nations, while some of its wings and its aerial fleet will be seeing action in the air when the Pitch Black exercise is held every 2 years kick off in and over Australia's Northern Territory. Our Patrick De Jesus tells us more on the participating countries in this story.
Various air forces will come together for the biennial Pitch Black Exercises 2024 to be held in Darwin, Northern Territory, Australia. Their fighter jets will also showcase various maneuvers, flybys, and counter-air and air interdiction. Some of the participating countries include the United States, UK, Spain, Canada, Japan, South Korea, and other countries in Europe and Asia. From being observers in past editions of the Pitch Black exercises, this year, the Philippine Air Force will now participate. The participation of the Philippines for this year's Pitch Black exercises here in Darwin, Australia is historic because this is the first time that the Philippine Air Force will send a large number of contingent as well as air assets. Amid the current tensions, especially on external threats, particularly in the West Philippine Sea, the PAF clarified that their participation in the Pitch Black exercises is not against or targeting any specific country. They said this is an opportunity to improve their skills and capabilities.
Ito ay hindi directly involved doon sa issue na ito dahil wala pa man iyon, matagal na tayong lumalahok sa mga ganitong exercise. Noon pa man, ginagawa na natin na mag-observe, makita kung paano ginagawa para rin sa ika-i-improve or ikakaganda, develop ng ating hukbong sandatahang Pilipinas.
The PAF's participation is timely, especially since President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. recently approved the purchase of additional multi-role fighter jets.
Ngayon na nandito tayo, nakikita natin. So kung ano yung mga aircraft na ito, na karamihan sa mga dala ng ibang bansa ay mga MRF or multi-role fighter aircraft. So sa pakikipag-exercise sa kanila, nakikita natin yung kapasidad at na nagkakaroon tayo ng ideya kung ano ba talaga ang makaka-answer ng ating requirements para sa national security at sa ating, especially sa ating territorial defense.
Yesterday, with the help of the KC-30A Airbus of the Royal Australian Air Force, from Clark, Pampanga, the first batch of participants from the Philippine Air Force have on board. Until they arrived in Darwin, Australia. The PAF C-295 aircraft also landed, carrying essential equipment and operational cargo for the training. Nearly 200 pilots and personnel of the PAF will participate in the Pitch Black exercises. In the coming days, the arriving PAF FA-50 fighter jets are expected to be used in the training. Meanwhile, personnel and fighter jets from the Italian Air Force have also arrived. The Pitch Black exercises will begin next week. And because it's called Pitch Black, the exercises will be held both in day and night time. From Darwin, Australia, Patrick De Jesus, from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.